typo, it's bitchin' Bushcraft. And here we have an old metal blade saw from a skip my mate Al donated. He'd already half cut it out and I wanted to finish it off, so I've been grinding away with me bench grinder, and I'm going to change it into a belt grinder, which I'll bang up on YouTube as well, using plywood, the engine and some wheels, flywheels I'm going to make myself. Until then, this is my knife. It's starting to take some shape. It's been annealed because it nearly broke my grinder beforehand. I'm definitely keeping them because they are bitchin'. That's going to make me a bitchin' knife.